Contractors need to know some of the basics on required information to be registered as a contractor on a renovation loan, as well as what's required on the bids themselves when engaging in a project. So this is just a real quick visual rundown of what we're going to have to collect. There's an online registration process. It's pretty painless. It probably takes 5 or 10 minutes to get that filled out with some basic contact and history information about the contractor. The next thing is we want you to be aware that you're going to get a W-9 at the end of the year for the project. And we'll have to verify that you're licensed. The house is that the project is being done. If there's any kind of city or county requirements, we just have to verify that you meet those. There's also a requirement of $1 million in general liability, which is kind of standard. So we just need copies from your insurance agent to verify you have that proper coverage in place. We need to see that you have a work comp plan, or we just need to see that you have an exemption from the work comp plan. So the last thing is the draws. The draws are going to happen after closing. And so we want to make sure that we're on the same page with the flow of the project so that you're expecting the proper time as far as the release of the draws go and how you're going to submit to get those. What comes along with all of this is the bid. So the renovation program requires that the contractor's bid has all of their pertinent contact information on it, which is not a big deal. We want to know that borrower's names, subject property, and I can help fill this stuff in as well. Separating the material and the labor fees out. From an investor standpoint, they just want to see a general breakout of how much of those line items goes to material versus labor. And the bid is an important piece of this program. So the bid gets submitted with the purchase contract to the appraiser. And the appraiser looks at both of them and has to come up with a value for the final project, subject to all of it being done. So what really is the key is the bid. And so those line items, we ask that either you help give us some narrative, or if you have the time to go ahead and be very detailed about the quality and the kind of material being used, because this is the appraiser's vision of what's going to happen with this house. So the more that they can envision what's going to be done renovation wise by reading your bid, the better value chances we have coming in where we want it. So I can help with this too, but it's a place where lots of times we circle back and like to have a conversation with you about how to best describe the scope of work that's going to be done.